Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF using Canva, and we'll do it in just under 5 minutes. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool, great for creating eye-catching visuals, and making a GIF is no exception. Let's dive right into the process and have some fun with it. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and you'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that to get started. This will open up a variety of design options and templates for you to choose from. Once you've clicked on Create, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type in the word Animated. What this does is filter through Canva's templates to show you all the animated designs suitable for creating dynamic content like GIFs. Next, you'll see an option for animated social media. Click on this and it will bring up a series of templates specifically designed for social media platforms. These are particularly useful if you want to create engaging content for Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where visuals are key to capturing attention. Now that you've selected a template, it's time to add some flair. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various tools. Click on Elements, which will show a wide variety of graphics, shapes, and designs. From this section, navigate to Stickers. Stickers are animated elements that you can add to your design to give it more life and movement. Once you find a sticker you like, simply drag and drop it onto your template. You can adjust the size of the sticker by dragging the corners and place it wherever you want on your design. To customize the duration of your GIF, you have the option to adjust the length by dragging the page to the left or right. This allows you to shorten or lengthen the time each page or frame will display in your final GIF, giving you control over the pacing of your animation. After you're satisfied with your design, head up to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click on Share. This will open a drop-down menu with different sharing and downloading options. In this drop-down, choose Download. You'll be prompted to select your file type. In this case, even though it says MP4 video, you want to make sure to choose the GIF format from the list of options. This selection will ensure that your design is exported as a GIF, perfect for sharing across various platforms. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and creative tweaks, you've transformed your animated design into a captivating GIF using Canva. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.